Oh no! I cannot take it. Come on! Come on, Christine!
Oh my goodness.
Don't make a baby. That will relax you.
That is another story.
Same story.
Oh my goodness.
Her cheeks are smart.
Yeah.
Now see, Christine is happy now. Huh?
Take a home now.
How do you call that? Kinikilig?
Okay. Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you, Kuya.
Bad.
Daddy's crying.
Yeah, you are crying. I'm not crying.
Your eyes seems like.
No.
That would be happy